Whoa, look at this beautiful town square right here. This is where all the luxury shopping, Louis Vuitton, Hermes. Such a beautiful place. Although we're not going to any of the luxury store because we have to be good, save all the money for Yibu. So make sure you check out Yibu Beauty, use my code STEVE15 and get 15% off. Wait, oh, this is different. Wait, did we? Yeah, we walked by this morning.
No, we came from there.
No, oh, it's two different fountains.
We'll go. Do you want to go see what the H&M Beauty
Sure.
looks like? And then I'll grab my bike on our way back.
Okay. Louis Vuitton is here.
Look,
Fountain.
with the blue sky.
So beautiful.
But this is a very famous shopping called Strogo.
It's all right.
Don't even try to correct me, any Danish people watching this, okay?
I don't think I have any fans from Denmark, so you're safe.
But you know, on YouTube, you might have someone.
Yeah.
Someone watching. So don't come for me on the pronunciation.
Don't come for me. Oh, the weather is so nice here. You know, in Southern Cal, it's so hot.
Like over 100 degrees.
So we're gonna check out H&M Beauty. I know they have a beauty line, but it's very small in the U.S. Oh, I see. They carry like a Sephora now. They have Morphe, NYX, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Ordinary. Oh wow. I got it. You know, we also have this. Got it. Yeah, we definitely don't have this in the US yet.
Yeah. That's why I figured you'd want to see it.
Yes. You know, sometimes I was looking at a company's packaging. I was just like, oh, okay. It's like soft. Because I get a lot of packaging first. I was like, wait, I can squeeze the whole thing. I don't know, is that good? But then I realized they're all like that. At least mine is glass.
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh my God, we're coming to the biggest event here, marathon. Is this happen all the time or just?
There's marathons quite often.
Wow. Whoa. Wow, look at the marathon in Copenhagen. You did it! We crossed the marathon, didn't kill anyone. So what do you call this area? Nyhavn. And Moni told me that the reason why different color building is during the wartime, the soldier will know which color building they live in. Such a beautiful, it's a very sad story. This is a beautiful canal.
And then at Christmas time, they have like a bunch of Christmas shops along here as well. Really cute.
I love Christmas time.
Yeah, super cute.
I told one country you don't want to go during the Christmas is Asia.
Yeah.
Because we don't really celebrate Christmas that much. And we did it 1 year. When we came back, we literally feel like Grinch stole the Christmas.
We were lucky with it yesterday.
That's fun.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So cute.
Oh, I think if I live here, I would love to live that building on the top floor.
Of course.
That's probably expensive. So is your apartment big? Like a studio or one bedroom?
It's a 1 bedroom. It's about like 800 square feet.
Oh, that's not bad. Bigger than New York, right?
My apartment in New York, yeah, it's definitely bigger than that one. And the prices here are much better than New York.
Oh my god, this boat is so cute.
Little canal tour, those are fun.
So that's how you say it.
Nyhavn.
Nyhavn.
Oh, there's a QR code you can scan, so go ahead, screenshot and scan. Churro! Do you know I'm the churro king in Disney?
Really?
Yes. I think like one time I ate like 6 churros.
I love the churros there.
This part almost feels like Barcelona, except missing the ocean right here.
You think so?
Because at Barcelona, they have a lot of little street like restaurant right here, but ocean's right here. And you ate your tapas here, paella. Wow, just look at this.
This is the kissing bridge.
Kissing Bridge?
And they call it that because the way that the bridge, it doesn't open like upwards like this when it's letting boats through. Typically tourists don't know that you can actually go in there, and it looks so cool. It's like a prism of a bunch of like
Oh, cool. Let's do that.
mirrors, and it's really cool.
We're gonna check out another free thing to do in Copenhagen, besides walking. A lot of tourists, they know that.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Free dome. Oh, I see there's people in there. Whoa, you literally have to. Don't trip. Oh, did you trip? This is really cool. This reminds me of Singapore. Did we go together? Yeah.
Team Lab or
Yeah.
the one museum, what is it?
I forgot the name. Very cool. Lean over. Get out. Very, very cool. So let's check out some of the restaurant here. Fried chicken and tofu. So fried chicken sandwich 95. So that's less than 10 US dollar. And this gasoline grill is supposed to be a very popular cheeseburger place. Some celebrities already here. Maybe we'll come back later for that. And the cheeseburger is 95. That's not bad. And this one is wine. You can get some wine here. See the price? I feel like so far the breakfast and lunch stuff, the price is pretty reasonable. And here you got some nacho, burrito. Burrito bowl is 105. That's about $10. And Strangas, Mediterranean, Greek food. I'm sorry. So 98, 90, 129. And then this one, it's not opened. And there's some seafood. Oh my God, I love seafood. Look, fish and chip under 100. Oh, the mussel is only 120. That's $12. You can never get that in US for $12. And there's, I think this is the Vietnamese. That's the Vietnamese stuff. It's not bad. And then there's a drink bar area. So look at this beautiful little eatery here.